guys, welcome back to the channel. What we have here is our new 8.8 that we're going to be running on the Taxi, since I did remove the original one I had in there and I installed it in the Fox. So this is the new diff we're going to be running on the Taxi. So you can see it's just chilling. Going to be tearing this thing apart, basically get it ready to get the axle tubes welded. You got to press these old bushings out because we're going to be using a TAXY upper control arm deal with the solid bushing. Basically presses in there. So gonna start ripping this thing apart. Start getting some tools out. Cooper's out there patrolling the yard. Let's see what we need. Just got done pulling the diff cover. Doesn't look too bad in there. Get all this old oil drained out. Alright, just got done pulling the seat clips and the locking. I'm not sure what this is called, but whatever. I think that locks the axles in. So they're pretty much ready to be pulled out. Oop, tripping over my own tools. Just like that. This thing's out. Alright, in a matter of 5 minutes, got this thing torn apart. And probably another 5 to let that drain. All the old parts are out. Not going to be using none of this. Only thing I'll probably be saving are the main caps right here. About to go inside, cool off for a bit, and while we're at it, I'm going to show you guys all the new parts that are going to be used on this new 8.8. Let's go inside. Alright, so this is my little graveyard of parts that I'm slowly collecting for the Taxi. A bunch of suspension, my new fuel cell, a bunch of updated stuff for the engine, little Terpski back there. But this is all the stuff I'm going to be using for the new rear end that I'm building for the Taxi. These are the new Strange 35 spline axles. Lightweight, heavy duty. And this right here is the spool. And it's going to be running a spool now instead of a wave track like the other one had. This right here in this box is the complete rear race brakes by Strange as well. These nice calipers. These are going to be looking good on the car when we put those on. And then this right here is the TAXY upper control arms with the brace and the solid bushings built into it. This right here is definitely going to help with the 60 foots, making sure that the rear end has good bite to the ground. And then over here in this box, got my Ford Racing diff cover. And then I believe this is the install kit for the 8.8. And then this right here is my new gear. About that. There it is. The new gears. So basically everything to get the diff put back together is all right here. So right now we're gonna get ready to load this up. Now that it's all completely torn apart, get it loaded up on the truck, head to the shop and start cleaning this up. Remove that. Gonna have to weld axle tubes, and the new rear race brakes are with C-clip eliminators. Requires me to cut this off, that way the new bracketry and everything bolts up to this flush, which I'll record as I'm doing it. So I'm gonna put the camera down and get ready to load all this up in the truck. All right, got the rear end and all the boxes all loaded up. Let's get ready to head to the shop. The 64.5 almost all wrapped up. Just gotta put the hood back on, but all we're pretty much missing is finding one of these back windows to match the rest, because everything else is brand new. But it's a 64.5 I've been slowly working on the side. But got the 8.8 right here. As you can see, got this part end cut. This is you basically cut this end of the tube. That way you have this flush. Alright, so I just got done power washing it and hitting it with degreaser and hitting it with brake cleaner all inside. Now that I got the ends of this all shaved down to where they need to be, next step is going to be getting this dropped off to our local rear end shop called Dan's Driveline. They do amazing work, so going to be dropping this off tomorrow and having them press on the bearings onto the axles, and then also have them, they have a jig where they can weld the axle tubes. Gonna have them do it, that way I don't risk warping the axle tubes or nothing. So probably gonna end up the video right here for this part. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's hot as hell. About to go home and shower after I clean up. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Check you guys out on the next one. Peace.